Friends, in this lecture we will learn about the if statement. So if statement is having three parts: part 1, part 2 and part 3. So what happened here is in part 1 we write down the conditions like a is less than b, or a is greater than b, or a is equal to, less than, equal to, or anything like that. Or maybe we use another logical statement like and, or anything that is about comparison. In part we write down the answer that we want if the logical condition that we write in part 1 is true, and the part 3 contains the answer that is we want if we find part 1 as incorrect or false. Let us try this out and see how it happens. Right, we'll write a formula here, and here it says that we have to compare this cost, and we have to compare that if the cost is less than 5,000, then the answer should be very good, otherwise the answer should be bad. So we'll write down equal to if statement, bracket open. Now the first is test, the condition, logical condition. The logical condition is we have to check out if this cell is less than 5,000 as is given in the question, and put a comma. Now if this condition comes out to be true, then our answer should be very good as the question says, and if this condition comes out to be false, then our answer should be bad. So I mean that if C10 is not less than 500, it is equal to 5,000 or greater than 5,000, the answer should be bad. So let us write down bad, and the characters, we have to write down the characters in inverted commas, right, and press enter. Yes, the answer is bad. We'll try the same for the next one also. We'll write down equal to if the condition, we'll check out if this is less than 5,000, and our answer is, if it is less than 5,000, then we want answer as very good, and if we do not find it less than 5,000, the answer should be bad, because it is about expenses and we do not want to make high expenses. Let us check this out, and yes, the answer is very good. And what we can do is, instead of writing others or checking others, we can copy this and we can paste in the other four also. And for pasting, we can have a right click and we go to paste special, and in the paste special we can paste formulas and say OK. In this way we preserve our formatting and we get the answers also. So this is again a test of what we learned in the paste special. Let us try another question also here. Again the question says that opening a activity code is 1001 is here, that is given in green color. If this code is correct, then the answer should be lock open, otherwise answer should be wrong code, and we have to use the if statement. We have to write the formula in the red cell. So let us start with, we write down equal to if, bracket open, and we have to write the first was is logical test. We have to connect this thing is equal to 100. We have to check it out if this is equal to 100, because that is our code, and we put a comma here, and if it is correct, then the answer should be lock open, and we inverted commas closed and a comma. But if our condition does not hold correct, then we have to write wrong code, and we close it and bracket close, and we press enter. Now the code is 101, so our option is lock open. Let us imagine if our code is not 1001, it is 11. What happened? It is wrong code. If we write down 2000, it is wrong code. If we write down -1, it is still wrong code. But if we down 100, we write down 100, the code will be lock open. So this is the manner in which we can use if statement.